Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the zoom on your camera on your Android phone. So as you can see right here, I have my Samsung Galaxy phone in my hand and I'm going to go ahead and open up the camera right here. So now that I have the camera open, guys, if I would like to zoom, I'm going to zoom out the little flowers right here. You will see right here that right below the window of the camera, or let's say the part that is actually showing what the camera is viewing, you have some numbers, right? So you have zero point 0.6, which is going to zoom all the way out. And you have the one, which is the normal. Then you have two, that's going to bring it closer. Then you have three, which is going to bring it more. And you even have 10x zoom, which is going to bring 10x all the way even to 30. So as you can see right here, it's so deep, right? So into that flowers right there. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and use a zoom. So here are the numbers, guys. If you want to zoom with your camera, you can do that. Now, I want to show you something else. In case you want to do this manually, you can use your finger and do like this. So if I want to zoom, I can do like this with my finger, as you can see, and I can zoom as well. So that's it. You can pinch it to zoom out, and let's say not pinch it, but do your finger like this. It's going to zoom in on the object that you want to zoom into. So that's pretty much it, guys. You can also use a scroll as well. As you can see, you have this option as well to do like this with your finger to zoom, and that's it. So these are multiple ways, guys, how to zoom on your phone, and that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple, guys.